Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. So today I'm going to be doing a in the kitchen vlog with my mother, so stay tuned. Okay, what are you doing today, mom?
In Callaloo, brown stew chicken, white rice with vegetable.
Alright. So what's the process that you did before you started to cut up the callaloo?
Strip your callaloo first, and then you wash them and leave them in water, salt water to soak. That's the leaf them get alive. The leaf them get firm.
Okay. Alright, so I'm the one that's behind the camera today. So this is the rice in the background. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, so you guys, so those who don't know, you place the callaloo in the pot with a little bit of water and some butter, and then you just cover that down and allow it to steam. Gonna check on the meat now. So the chicken is coming along, so you just constantly stir the chicken on both sides before you check on it again and add some water. So this is it simmering down right now. Alright, so this has gotten thick enough, so we're gonna add the remaining seasoning with some water. Alright, so the callaloo finished steam down, the rice finished steam. So this is my plated Jamaican dinner. Thanks for watching.